Hello, today we're going to learn a little bit about how easy it is to retrofit an old Crouse-Hinds Champ or Appleton Merckmaster fixture with the new Phoenix Guard Pro Series class-rated LED low bay, high bay. There are literally tens of thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of these Crouse-Hinds Champ or Appleton Merckmasters installed out in the field today in applications such as wastewater treatment plants, petrochem facilities, grain silos, any hazardous location or very rough duty service area. Invariably, the fixture is going to be hard piped in, either with the 3/4 inch pipe coming into the top of it. It might be mounted on a stanchion, it might be mounted on a surface. Either way, this top section of the fixture, which is commonly referred to as the top hat, it's going to be hard piped into place. And if you needed to, the electrician or maintenance staff needed to replace that, it would just be a nightmare. So in an ideal world, we want to reutilize the existing top hat and not have to change that. The new Phoenix Guard Pro Series fixture is actually designed to be backwards compatible with the old Crouse-Hinds Champ series, and we do have adapters for the Appleton Merckmaster, so that you can retrofit this old fixture without having to change the top hat. Today we're going to see how easy it is. First thing you're going to want to do, obviously, is disconnect power, and then you're going to want to loosen the screw that holds the ballast lamp bottom section of the fixture onto the top hat. Now once this comes off, you're going to want to save this screw because we're going to need it a little later to put the fixture back on. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect all the electrical connections. This one has wire nuts on it. You might need to snip the wires and give it a fresh strip. But we're going to remove the electrical connections, and we're also going to want to remove the ground strap. Here you can see this wire already popped loose, but I'm going to pull off that ground strap. So now, okay, the electrical connections have already all been undone. And the fixture body, as you can see, is on this little hinge. So you just give it a little wiggle, and it will come loose off the fixture. We're going to discard this. Now, the Phoenix Guard Pro Series, much like the Champ, does come with its own top hat, but in this case we're not going to be using our top hat, so we're just going to remove it. Similarly here, we have a screw on the side. It's actually a 6mm hex key. This one I've pre-loosened, so I can just loosen it with my fingers. And once again, you can see our fixture, much like the Champ, is on a hinge. So you're going to want to remove the bottom section of this fixture. We're going to want to remove the ground strap because we're going to need to reattach it to the existing top hat. Okay, so now we have the bottom section of the Phoenix Guard Pro Series fixture, and we will just hang it on that old hinge of the existing Crouse-Hinds top hat, so the electrician can do this all hands-free. First thing we're going to want to do is reconnect the ground strap. So we will loosen that screw and reattach the ground strap to the existing top hat. So we want to make sure we have a good ground connection. It's easy to get this started by hand and then tighten a little bit with a screwdriver just to make sure it's on there nice and good. Okay. All right. And now we're going to want to reattach our electrical connections. Again, if you had to cut off the wires, you'd have to give them a quick strip. And you can see there are this terminal box here, so the electrician does not even need any wire nuts. You just push down the little terminal blocks so we can insert our ground. And then, of course, our neutral. And there, your little devil. And our hot leg. This is easier to do if you give the wires a little twist before you put them in. Okay, so now our electrical connections have been remade. And we're going to take the screw that we saved from the old fixture. We're going to swing the fixture back up. And we're going to retighten the old screw that came with the original Crouse-Hinds fixture, or Appleton Merckmaster as the case may be. Tighten that back into place. And if you want, there is a safety strap we could reattach. And then we will reconnect power. And there it is. In just 3 or 4 minutes, we have retrofitted that old Krauss-Heinz or Appleton Merckmaster Series fixture without needing to change the top hat. Very easy for one man to do the job, as you can see. If you'd like to get more information about the Phoenix Guard Pro series, please contact your local Phoenix sales representative or go to www.phoenixlighting.com. Thank you.